What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again. It's your guy, the crypto enthusiast, Late Liger here, and today we're going to be talking about this new website that I discovered called Simple PoS Pool. And PoS obviously stands for Proof of Stake, which is among one of these popular crypto models among Proof of Work, Proof of Time, Proof of Research. We have so many of these recently, and obviously there's been many variations of Proof of Stake, such as delegated Proof of Stake, also delayed Proof of Stake with Komodo, and so on. And it's becoming more and more popular, and I can understand why, because it would attract a lot of investors, because by holding a certain coin, you will get more of it. That's the proof of stake idea. And then there's obviously new methods of having them on the cloud, and so you don't have to have your wallet, online. And then there's the master nodes and everything like that. And it's very interesting model. Obviously, the proof of stake coins don't have as much value compared to many other like proof of work or tokens and so on, because you can get them quite a lot. And obviously most of them have a different percentage that you get. Maybe you get paid only once a month or something. They have different types of models with them. But so I found this website called Simple PoS Pool, and what it is essentially is they host a bunch of different proof of stake coins, and the idea is that people come together and contribute their coins into one pool, which will increase the rate that the pool will grow. And so this is like a collective effort, like a mining pools essentially, to get more coins. You get more than by doing this than being on, by independent on your own wallet. And you obviously, not everybody has the option to stake for many different reasons. And the interesting thing about it obviously is that this is a very, good business opportunity. Obviously, it's not like a real exchange or anything. So there is an element of trust that you have to insert to them, that they just don't run off with the money. But obviously, it has operated for some time now, and they haven't really run off yet. And there's obviously discords and everything on the community, and there seems to be smart people running it. And obviously they delist also some of the coins like XGOX, and Dogecoin has been recently delisted because they're not very popular projects. But they have one of the XP coin. Lindacoin is one that I personally invested in. I think it was $19 when I put it in, and this was not too long ago. I want to say a week. And I don't know if Linda's own value has increased, or is it just the proof of stake rewards that have increased my share so much. And they have quite a lot of coins, and I think they're adding a lot of them too. And if you have low amount of money, you're gonna put that $20 into one of these coins, I think this is one of your best shots to really get a multiple higher return. PIVX is something that I personally I'm really interested in right now. I own it on another account. And Stratis is obviously a big project. They have their own tokens under them. That's also something that looks very promising in the future. And there are many other projects. I don't know all of these coins, to be honest, so I don't take my financial advice, so to speak, on them. And here we can see the account overview. There are a lot of statistics here, and you can create a wallet for obviously all of them, and that's where you deposit them. And there is also a very interesting affiliate program which has 4 levels. So remember to sign under me, guys. We can create a pyramid scheme here. And I think the percentages are pretty decent when I looked on the main website, on the main page. So it's not like totally ridiculous that it would apply, that it would be a Ponzi scheme or something. And then there is ideas or opportunity for masternodes. And obviously people need to know that some of the masternodes for some of the coins are a bit scammy in a way, because masternodes give a higher return, but it's also sometimes a good way to make people buy your coin, and then you can do an exit scam and everything like that. So some coins have done that, and that's why you have to be very conscious about the amount of required coins to enter a masternode. There seems to be a lot of them. We're talking about 98 pages here, and that's a lot to choose from, to be honest. And okay, most of them don't seem to have, well, some of them have slots to participate. I guess that, let's see, okay, there's like 11 pages still open there, but the idea of the site is pretty simple. It offers masternode and staking, opportunities. It also offers you, wallets if you don't want to create, like, I'm obviously a big fan of multi-coin wallets, and I don't have a wallet for most of these fucking coins here where I would actually put them in, so I would actually put all of them here. If I had XP coin, I have nowhere else to really put it in. I just would put it into the Simple PoS Pool because I don't see any option to. I don't see any point of creating yet another wallet. I mean, I'm juggling so many right now, but it's a. I obviously recommend everybody doing their own research. You can, they have a support panel and they have everything, marketing material. You saw the intro in the beginning, and it's let's look at some of their PDF here. What is the interesting things that they say here? And it's here you have some of the coins listed and rewards, and here they say 1 to 10% is the rates of annual rates of some of the. And if this is the main concept here, the pool staking gets you higher and faster stake. And that's more coins, and that's the idea here. And I think these will become more popular in the future, that there will become staking pools. They are obviously, well, they can be scams, so always be wary of that. Don't put your millions here. But, here's some math, obviously. And I'm convinced already, and I've seen already a return of the investment, or better, staking efforts. And it's a pretty good charts here, actually. Oh, here's the actual referral system. So, there's fees, and yeah, okay, that makes sense. The numbers don't seem too crazy, actually, here to be a Ponzi scheme. But I mean, the end verdict here is that it's a very promising service, and I'm gonna keep a very keen eye on it, and I will do some updates on it and do some mathematics in the future probably. And if you like my content, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the YouTube, follow me on BitTube and DTube as well. I'm on Steemit as well, Steemit/Liger. And I applaud you for watching and staying this long, and I will see you guys next time.